I am Dr. Li Haobing, co-director of the Center of Excellence in Modeling and Simulation for Next Generation Ports. C4NGP was jointly established by Singapore Maritime Institute, SMI, and the National University of Singapore to promote a greater collaboration between academia and the port communities to improve the overall competitiveness in the maritime and port sectors. C4NGP developed the Singapore Studio in 2021. So Singapore Studio is a software solutions package to facilitate the simulation and optimizations of our future container port. So this software is designed to grow together with the capabilities of our future container port development. Singapore Studio have the capabilities of the scalability, accuracy to support the multi-fidelity modelings and also the high computational efficiencies. With the scalability, Singapore Studio is able to model a mega container terminal with the annual throughput of the 20 million TEUs. And with the accuracy, the Singapore Studio is able to accurately taking the information from the engineering, the CAD drawing, to model as simulations, consider the distance in millimeters and the time in milliseconds. So with the multi-fidelity modelings, so Singapore Studio is able to allow the user to choose a proper level of the fidelity to answer the questions they are interested to analyze, so as to achieve a balance between the computational efficiencies and also the accuracies in the evaluations. Of course, the efficiencies is our top concern. So with the in-house developed simulation engine, the Audace framework, we are able to model the simulations evaluation for a single day of the operations with the millions of the events in just a few minutes. So currently, we are using a Singapore Studio to help us to analyze some planning level problems, meaning that we are taking the static information from the port design and we virtually adding the dynamic information for us to evaluate how efficient we can achieve for a specific port designs. So in the future, when the TWAS terminal start to operate, so we are able to synchronize with some dynamic informations to correct our models, to calibrate our models, use it to evaluate some operational short-term performance. Then moving forward, we are thinking to further consider those different transition informations, meaning the operational rules. So as we can use this to analyze the different rules to optimize the decision parameters we are used to operate our future container terminals. We hope in the future, Singapore Studio can help us to understand and analyze the best ports in the world, not only in the historical past, but also in our futuristic mind, to take a lesson and elements beyond the limitations of the time and the space to create something really unique of our own.